All natural charcoal for all skin types. Different skin types react uniquely to the changes in their environment. Proper cleansing and protection are necessary to give you a fresh start for your day and deep cleansing before you sleep. Our gentle organic face wash uses natural charcoal to extract the toxins from your pores and perfectly balances the skin moisture to be neither too oily nor too dry. The charcoal gently exfoliates, cleanses and smooths your skin, whilst removing excess oil after your long day. The Antiaging Triad infused with soothing tea extracts known to help revitalize the skin. We selectively chose 3 different types of tea to provide your face with the organic nutrients it needs. The Rooibos Tea, green tea and white tea extracts boost your skin health. After the charcoal cleanses, the vitamins and tea extracts are then sealed deep into your skin to revitalize and rejuvenate. A moisturizing protective barrier. The natural oils form a moisturizing barrier to protect the skin and reduce irritants during the day. A variety of oil extracts has been blended in the face wash to improve skin conditions throughout the day: coconut oil, aloe vera gel, olive oil, sunflower oil, and tamanu seed oil. The myriad of benefits from the oils protect your skin with its antibacterial and antifungal properties and is inflammatory. The olive oil extract aids in restoring skin smoothness and guards against the harsh sun rays. Suitable for all skin types. Each component of the facial wash is suitable for all skin types. Helps regulate and alleviate problem skin, controls bacteria and irritations whilst soothing skin. Detoxify your skin and replenish nutrients for healthier and younger looking skin. Order now with peace of mind knowing you have our 30-day money-back guarantee should you not be satisfied with this product. Activated Charcoal Cleanser for Skin Detox. The natural, deep cleansing activated charcoal removes toxins by drawing out and trapping impurities, releasing clogged pores to breathe life into your skin again. It also works as natural exfoliator to remove dead skin cells, with antimicrobial properties that help prevent skin infections. Antioxidant-rich triple tea extract. The triad of calming Rooibos tea, white tea and green tea extract merges into the perfect combination to work as an antioxidant remedy, defending skin from environmental factors for healthier, supple skin. Great Acne Face Wash Treatment. Natural skin care with anti-aging vitamins. Shield your skin from irritants and inflammation with this enriched gentle facial wash by locking in vitamin C and vitamin B5 to build a barrier layer that promotes healing and protection. Moisturizing and revitalizing oil extracts, gently hydrates and refreshes the skin using natural ingredients like coconut oil, orange peel oil and aloe vera gel extracts to provide nutrients that balance the skin. 100% natural, made in USA skincare product, paraben-free, cruelty-free and is hypoallergenic. This charcoal facial cleanser is suitable for all skin types, and is safe for sensitive skin. Your new secret weapon for fresh. Get more info please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel get update more videos.